Good morning. Well, today is the day that we find out Australian unemployment numbers for April. And to contend with, investors will also absorb US and European equities pairing back and falling into the red overnight, while the oil and gold prices pushed ahead. Now, earlier the Aussie share market futures were suggesting a 1% fall at the open. Now, it comes as that US equities took a step back overnight as US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell hinted US interest rates would not be cut to below zero. And he did, however, mention that further policy stimulus may be needed in the US to pull the country out of an economic downturn. The S&P 500 ended 1.8% lower, the Nasdaq losing 1.6%, while in Europe their shares lost about 2%, with coronavirus fears dampening confidence. Now, on the commodity front, the oil price settled 2% higher to $25.80 a barrel, and the gold price further rose to $1,722 an ounce. Now, what to watch today? Well, we're expecting to hear from results from Graincorp, GNC, OceanaGold Corp, OGC, and Xero. One of the wax stocks, Xero, is their ticker, to report results later today. Now, what else to watch? Well, at 11:30, the unemployment data is out. It's tipped to be bleak, with the market expecting the unemployment rate to rise from 5.2% in March to 8.3% in April, with 575,000 expected to have lost their jobs last month. Now, the RBA already hinted that unemployment in Australia will peak at 10%, but expect conditions to improve by September, tying in with restrictions lifting. So keep an eye on banks and stocks linked to the economy reopening, like retailers, travel, and also the buy now, pay later sector as well. Now, looking at the US futures have just turned positive, indicating Wall Street may open higher this evening and curb selling. So if their futures rise further, expect our market to potentially move higher. Keep in mind the ASX 200 is currently 19% up from its bear market low. So we're looking to extend that gain and move higher. Now, ending on a trading idea. Well, Bell Potter Rose, Emeco, EHL, their price target to $1.40, implying 37% share price growth in a year. That's as from yesterday's close price of $1.03. Now, Emeco increased their exposure to underground gold, which could add resilience to its earnings. And the company is also growing their cash position and has also got access to an undrawn credit facility. All of this reduces their financial risk. Now, looking at Trading Central's data on Emeco EHL, the stock has crossed its 50-day moving average, implying it has a short-term bullish uptrend. That's for Emeco. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.